this week's weather report, April is coming in hot. She declared she was tired of looking like a bum, so she put on lashes and applied some lip gloss. Stay tuned for news at 7. What do you think about them lashes? I know that some people don't like lashes this long. Some people don't like lashes at all. Me wear them sometime when I feel like it, but if me go wear them, I only wear them this long. I don't know. You know everybody have a preference and whatever. But I don't know, see me I tell you from the other day, I'm in a like a funk and everything. So I say me I go up on the road and I know say Irie Granny I keep her, I just left them area asleep. So my mother give me a list too. She said since me I go up on the road, I might as well buy some things for her. So and I know some have to carry on with me, okay? So when time we reach, I take on back up, or I don't know. Somewhere along the way, I don't know me I go take on back up. Watch hot water when I even stone. Oh, it's so hot. Me say no, me that I know fingers or tongues. One thing me and them 5-minute behavior. I'm watching you. Left my yard in a rain and reach over here so now one sun out like a fire. Now me look like a big puppy show that is a big thick sweater. But jerk chicken I sell over here so I go buy a piece for my mother. I get the little chicken, but I never want the man feel like me record him. So the system I just lock off the camera, but I have the jerk chicken. $900 a quarter. When since so much for jerk chicken, remember when I used to pay $600 for them something. I soon go live a bush, you know. I say I soon come out of civilization and go live a bush because I can't afford cost of living. But I go down at the supermarket now. Mommy send me out. Mommy give me a list and everything, so I go in a supermarket, go take up the little something them and come go back at me yard. Alright, sorry. I in here, I say to the people, mommy give me feel like a little picnic. God have mercy. People ask me I walk around and shop with people like me a little picnic. But I go take up them something. Mommy want the big the 4-pack of crackers thing. I was tired for here. I say I drink crackers and tea, so I don't know if I have to take the crackers. Cooking oil. Oh, which one? So many options. Mama want the one for the less money. So I have to look on all of the price then. Can you get the one in the quad for like $300 and something $? £4 of mixed parts, and she put exactly what for going there, you know. Oh Jesus. And down a market. I think my sister she has sent me down a market. I not even want to go down there. Sorry. We can get £4 of mixed parts, please. I don't know if I'm me that tiny money or what's her. Is my face giving criminal? Tell me, don't tell me the truth. Is it giving criminal? It looks shady. I can't be black though. Anybody around here? I do my something? They start sweat like I'm gonna tell me why I not put on no shirt under this sweater. Tell me, but why I not put on no sweater under no shirt under this sweater? So my days I sweat like I can't even take off the goddamn sweater. Now mommy take me send down a market so I have to go and down here so go and get what she wants, and then we can finally go meet her because I'm tired for over here. Alright, give me the girl. You have onion though? Yeah. How much a pound for change? You got half pound. A bong like Yeah, but take one of them, please.
Eh? How much was for the Irish?
How much for melon?
204.
Buy a piece of melon for that. I didn't want to see me find one of them little cheap fake crocs there because you know so the only slippers I have and the one of them on my foot right now. That bad. If it left me a road right now, me up over. No shame then in my game. I didn't want to see me find one little cheap one, but I don't see none and I can't bother feel like I'm tired for them on the road. Run out of sociality. Ready for go over. Me reach over and look how Area try to pop off me out. Look how Area try to pop up. My girl. Ari, stop it. Ari, stop it, man. Why? Why I try to pop off the eyelash then? So I just reach home. I shouldn't even contact Ari and my red clothes off. Well, I'm going to change off me now. I'm going to change my clothes and I'll come back. I'm tired. Alright, I pop off my eyelash. It was a journey, but I'm going to show you a bad style. And when I show you, I'm going to say one of two things. Either I never see this before or I see this when I pick me. But one time I was a little girl, one grapefruit tree was sitting in my yard. So you know, when you pick me and you're hungry, you find all sorts of things to eat and them things there. We used to go over there so and pick the grapefruit. And we used to cut out the middle just like what I'm showing right now. And you have to know what I do because grapefruit is something that make you really, really hungry. So you probably eat a piece of mommy chicken when we're done. Won't tell her. You have chicken?
Yep. Come back.
Oh God, that's so this hard for cut out. Okay. Cut out the middle. Right now it's full of seeds. I'm just going to take out some of the excess seeds them and throw away. So right now I'm showing the style. See it here? If anybody I wonder about today's fit, this used to belong to my niece. But she gone away now. She there at university. So I just borrow it. So I just throw some sugar down in the grapefruit. Put on this. But now I tell her I'm excited. They know how long I'm going to do this. And then they just take the spoon and kind of dig down in the grapefruit. And that's how we used to eat it. Same so just like this. When you're full of seed though. Tasty. Alright, I'm about to cut out the video. I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna cut out the video. I'm gonna I never really plan to record nothing, you know, but you must say I go up on the road. Me just carry on with me. But if you made it to this far in the video, here is a moment of realness. You know, I have them there from time to time. I don't know, say, I respond to all of the comments. I love getting the comments, I love respond to them. One time I really sleep, I respond to comments, but I see all of the comments with everybody with like the suggestions about the name. It's not one person or two, like my name, Bruk Baby Mada. Or I identify myself on YouTube. And I see all of the suggestions with people that say if I change the name or speak power over my life or something like that. Don't get me wrong, I know it's coming from a place of love. And I appreciate it. I appreciate the love, but I just want to tell you something. This is my point of view about it. I feel like lately everybody been very into manifestation because the media kind of highlight manifestation. But I feel like a lot of us, I don't want to tell me out of context, you know. A lot of us don't understand how manifestation works. Because me calling myself a broke baby mother don't automatically make me broke. Just like if I sit down right now and say I'm a millionaire, me not automatically become a millionaire. If I saw it did work, everybody would have wealth. Everybody would be wealthy and healthy and have everything what they want. I think what a lot of people don't understand is manifestation without intent doesn't go anywhere. So even though me I call myself broke baby mother, it not negate all of the work when me I put in for don't be that. It not negate all of the work when me I put in for try build wealth for myself. You understand me? So intent is very important. And when me call myself broke baby mother, I say broke baby mother, I say it in a comical way. Honestly, I say it comically. So, I just want to put that out there. Like me say, I really appreciate all of the comments and everything. I know it's coming from a place of love. But I'm not manifesting brokenness. That is not a manifestation for me. And me, I call myself that in a joking way. Not going to negate all of the work that I'm trying to do. Faith. Kind of make my life better if you understand what I say. I hope you understand what I say. And I hope you not take me out of context. But manifestation works with intent, with intention. I know my intention. And I get to me and say so. As usual, I appreciate the comments and everything. Guys, please subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe and share my video. So I'm gonna cut out the video right now. Twix, your story time is coming. No matter something there. No matter can me a cotton tree. But I'm out, guys. Bye.